In this video, we're going to be showing you how to generate videos on Canva. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're on Canva, we simply need to select Canva AI on the left sidebar. This will bring you to Canva's AI Studio. At the top is a prompt box, and at the bottom of it is a variety of different options. The one we're interested in is video clip. If we select this, it will reveal a variety of different settings to create a video clip. The first one is style, where we can choose the style of the video that we want generating, so I'm going to go for cinematic. For the next option, you can see we can choose from an aspect ratio of 16:9, or in the near future we can pick 9:16. Then we can choose if we would like to add audio to the video. For framing, we can essentially pick the shot position / camera angle for the video, so I'm going to go for wide shot. For lighting, I'm going to pick golden hour. We now need to enter our prompt. For this, it's important to be as specific and detailed as possible. For example, I'm going to type a peaceful coastal town bathed in warm sunlight as waves gently crash against the shore. The camera glides slowly over the ocean, revealing a small fishing boat drifting near the pier. Seagulls soar through the glowing sky and the golden light reflects off the water. The scene transitions to a quiet street lined with charming houses and blooming flowers sway in the breeze. A feel of calm, nostalgia and beauty fills the air. Then I'm going to press enter. Canva has now come back with this. Here is what it looks like. As you can see, it has done an extremely good job of creating this video based on the prompt we provided. It is extremely realistic and the audio it has added fits the video well. If we hover over the video, we have the option to download it. That's all we have for this video on the Canva AI video generator. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.